I've seen a lot of people here recently saying that the Earth's axis has tilted more, shifted anywhere, up to 3 to 4 degrees. Um, and they're all saying that the sun has moved or shifted and is in a different location than it normally is. There's even an Eskimo tribe that's saying like, "Hey, dude, the sun's in a different location." Um, I don't disagree with that at all. I actually see that that's a huge possibility. Um, that the sun is in a different position. I just have one simple question: Is the sun or the moon both has shifted according to different sources, but did the pole star move? Like, did Polaris change at all? Any degree at all? And I know people are like, oh, God could do anything. I know that. I know God can do that, but I mean, that doesn't answer the question. Did the pole star move? Yes or no? No? Okay. Then, are you sure it was the sun? I mean, like, the sun's different location is a result of the Earth tilting? I mean, are you 100% sure? Because everything else is the same, right? Okay. Honestly, people, if the pole star doesn't move, then what's moving? Because, like Isaiah said, hey, God, can you stop the sun?
Watch out! The floor is